and morning to our honorable principals and respected coordinated teachers and more, my dear friends. Let us start our day with a prayer song. Friends, join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer song. Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see beauty that makes this heart adore you. Hope of my life spent with you. And here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether lovely, altogether wonderful to me. I call heaven to say the Bible verse from the Holy Bible. Good morning. Today's Bible verse is taken from Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. Amen. Now Lord's Prayer. Repeat the prayer after Caitlin. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. I call Akshat and Josh to deliver today's thought for the day. Good morning. Today's thought is last time never found again. Punctuality is the politeness of king. I repeat the thought. Last time is never found again. Punctuality is the politeness of kings. Thank you. Lian, Bishana, Arvin are here to present Tirukural for the day. வணக்கம். இன்றைய திருக்குறள் பிரிவு பொருள்பால் அதிகாரம் ஆள்வினை உடைமை குறள் எண் 618 பொறியின்மை யார்க்கும் பழி என்று அறிவறிந்து ஆள்வினை இன்மை பழி. விளக்கம். நல்ல விதி இல்லாமல் இருத்தல் என்பது குற்றமாகாது. அறிய வேண்டியவைகளை அறிந்து முயற்சி செய்யாமல் இருப்பதே ஒருவனுக்கு பழியாகும். யாருக்கும் பழி அன்று அறிவறிந்து ஆள்வினை இன்மை பழி. நன்றி. Avantika, Shafni, Jobin and Sharna are here to present vocabulary for the day. Good morning everyone. Today we will explore a fascinating word, like. Did you know that like can be used in different ways? It can be a noun, a verb or an adjective. Let's learn how. First, let's look at light as a noun. Meaning, light is the brightest that comes from the sun, fire or electrical device which help us see things. Example, the sunlight streaming through the window fills the room with light. Next, light as a verb, meaning to make something start to burn or to illuminate. Example, please light the candle. Finally, light as an adjective, meaning it describes something that is not heavy or general in color or feeling. Example, this box is light, I can carry it easily. I hope you understand how a word can work in different ways. Thank you. Varsin, Ritik and Ahan are here to present moral values. Be truthful and straightforward in your action during play. Show respect for opponents, teammates, officials, and the rules of the game. Control your impulses and adhere to the necessary course of action, even when facing difficulty. Rian, Sharon, Sean are here to present interesting facts. India has won 8 Olympic gold medals in hockey. India is the only country to have won Cricket World Cup in the 60, 50 and 20 over formats. Ericom is the only player to win 6 World Amateur Boxing Championships. Sandeep Singh, nicknamed Flicker Singh, holds the world record for the fastest drag flick in hockey. The game of the chess originated in ancient India, where it was known as in Chaturanga. The Indian football team famously played barefoot at 1948 London Olympics. Thank you. Marthandam is here to present a speech for the National Sports Day. National Sports Day is celebrated every year on 29th August in India. The day pays tribute to the legendary Indian hockey player Major Dhyan, who is referred to as Hockey Ka Jadugar or Wizard of Hockey. Dhyan played an important role in the dominance of Indian hockey on international platforms, specifically in 1920 and 1930. He extraordinary strategies for the game, which include goal scoring, control on the ball, helped Dhyan in earning Olympic gold medals for the year 1928, 1932 and 1936. Dhyan not only catalyzed the promotion of Indian hockey to the world, but also taught fairness and dedication, inspired by the sportsmanship of Major Dhyan. The day is chosen to promote sports culture among school students. The day includes a list of sports events and competition, encouraging a sense of togetherness and healthy competition. Thank you. Now our friends are here to entertain you with a dance. Thank you. Have a happy learning. Walk as children of light.